Hello, my name is Bastien Lechat and I'm a research fellow at FIMRI Sleep Health.
And my name's Hannah Scott, and I'm also a research fellow at FUMRI Sleep Health. So today we're going to tell you about simple, practical sleep technologies that are available to help people manage their sleep and their sleep disorders. Bastian, can you tell me about the sleep sensor you have there?
Yes, look, this is a very novel sensor. It just basically sits under your mattress and it measures the air pressure under your mattress. And by measuring the air pressure like this, we're able to measure breathing, heart rate, and derive the sleep duration, as well as when you go to bed, when you get out of bed. Now, we use this primarily to measure sleep apnea severity, which is basically the number of times you stop breathing during the night. Now, the advantage of this technology compared to a normal sleep study in the hospital is that we can do that every night. So we can track your sleep apnea severity every night on or off treatment.
Even in insomnia, which isn't typically a breathing disorder, tracking your sleep nightly can give us really vital information to understand your sleep symptoms, understand your sleep behaviors as well and how that's impacting your sleep, and really develop personalized treatment approaches to better manage your sleep disorder.
So Hannah, how would you go about treating insomnia?
Well, there's a lot of different ways that we treat insomnia, and one of the options I have here with me. So this is the FIM device, and this particular piece of technology delivers a treatment called intensive sleep retraining. The important thing about this treatment is that it's just one single overnight session. Essentially what happens is people repeatedly fall asleep over and over again. What this does is it basically retrains people to fall asleep more quickly after just that single night. And in our ongoing clinical trials, we're finding that this device is actually bringing quite a bit of benefit to people with insomnia. Sebastian, obviously there's a lot of reasons why it's important to treat people's sleep disorders, but what does effectively treating sleep mean for people's cardiovascular health?
Yeah, well, look, usually when you treat the sleep disorders, it improves your overall cardiovascular health. And one of these parameters is going to be your blood pressure. Now, we've got this novel device here that allows us to measure blood pressure in the home rather than in the GP office or in a doctor office. And basically, participants and patients are going to take this device and go home with it and take their blood pressure either in the morning or at night. And this allows us to look at blood pressure over months instead of a single day. And using this device, we've been able to show very interesting findings about sleep disorder pathology and how they affect blood pressure. One of those recent findings is how people that snore a lot during the night have higher blood pressure in average. We've also shown that people that have a lot of variability in sleep apnea severity from one night to the other also tend to have higher blood pressure. All right, so Hannah, you've got some very interesting glasses here. Why don't you tell me about it?
Sure, Bastian. So these are the Retimer light therapy glasses. And essentially what they do is they help retime people's body clocks. As you might know, we have internal body clocks, otherwise known as circadian rhythms, which actually govern the timing of so many biological functions, including sleep. You might experience misaligned circadian rhythms in the case of jet lag when you travel overseas, but people with sleep disorders as well can also experience misaligned circadian rhythms on a daily basis, which can really negatively impact their quality of life. So what we're doing is we're testing these light therapy glasses to help retime the body clock and instructing people on when to wear these glasses based on their wearable sensor data. I've got some eye buttons here, which are little skin temperature devices that we can place on the body to figure out when people are timed relative to their circadian timing to help inform when they need to wear these Retimer light therapy glasses for optimal results.
So we've got a lot of technology here. How do you see everything working together?
Well, essentially, all of this technology that we now have at our disposal makes us better equipped to be able to screen and diagnose people's sleep disorders, being able to monitor them day to day while we try and treat their sleep disorder, which really helps us personalize our treatment approaches and adjust them to make sure that they effectively treat their sleep disorder condition.
Hannah, it's been so nice chatting with you today.
You too, Bastian. And thank you for joining us and learning all about this promising sleep technology.